Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and ancient trees, there lived a little girl named Red. She was known far and wide as Little Red.
What we searched for on YouTube is the story of Little Red Riding Hood. These stories. Views of this video on YouTube. It has 9 million views. That is to say, these fairy tales. Their viewing volume is very high. How to create these consistent characters for free through AI. Animated cartoon. No need for you to show your face. I don't need you to take a video. You can make this AI video, just like this video I just made. Just be able to channel it on YouTube like this. Video playback volume per day has 640,000 views, even 700,000 views a day, when his income was at its highest, but was able to make an extraordinary income of $3,000. After a month, he can earn more than $36,000. That's more than $43,000 a year, specially made for these AI pictures. When we create through AI, the characters in the pictures often lack consistency. That is how we use a software. It can achieve the consistency of AI video faces. Then that's okay. Make your character a part of the story. He always maintains a consistent image. Then it looks like this. His viewing effect will be better. Let's start today's topic now. Let's see this channel first. The above contents. It's all about fairy tale topics. We don't have to be just Little Red Riding Hood either. This story, that's a lot of these fairy tales. We can all relate to make these fairy tales. And we can also use a tool. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my latest share. Let's first come to this AI toolbox. Find this software TubeBuddy. Let us install this software. We first need to create an account. Create an account in the upper right corner of TubeBuddy. Have a Google account? It's best to use this Google account. Just log in and you can use it for free. After logging in, we still need to come in and see the upper right corner. There is this plugin for TubeBuddy. We need to install this plugin first. Click to download its plugin. Add this plugin here. Just click Add to add. After adding, we just need to click here to put this keyword. Enter keyword. For example, we search for this Little Red Riding Hood story keyword again. Let's see how hot it is. You can see the popularity and search volume here is very big. There are more than 136,000 searches. There are more than 15 million videos in total, and I saw that this is the keyword. Here we also provide some suggested keywords for popular search tags. Of course, you see more keywords. If it is a free version, you may only be able to see the first 3. If you want to see more of these tags, if there are also search volumes for these keywords, only the upgraded version can be seen. But if you use it initially, this free version is enough. When you make a video, you can add these keywords. Then this way, you can let search engines find your video. You can find more of these keywords with this search. Is it suitable to make this video? If his competition is relatively high, then we can change other keywords. I can click here. Find these other keywords. You can take a look at his competitiveness. If the competition is even smaller, of course, his search volume may be smaller. We can select the following keywords corresponding to this key. There are more than 70,000 searches for this keyword, but his competitiveness, it's obviously much lower than just now. So we can also find a lot of these keywords. After passing the investigation, we know exactly which videos. It's not very competitive. We can create for this video. For example, we lock. After making what kind of video? For example, I want to make a story about Little Red Riding Hood. I came to this as a free AI picture. Keep the character consistent. The most important thing is that our program is a free program. After coming in, we just need to click to connect this program. You can see that it has been connected. Let's click this run button. Run this program. Because this is running on a cloud server, so it won't have any impact on your computer. While waiting, we can come to Chat. This is what we all know. Chat can create a script for us. so I need Chat to do it for me. Write an adventure story about Little Red Riding Hood. Here we see that Chat is running quickly, and these stories are all original stories, and there's some language and dialogue on it. Make your story more vivid. You can see the story he wrote. This content is still very detailed, and we just need to put these. Just copy and paste, create what we want and need. We see that the software has run, and I saw this link. Then click on this link. We see this picture. See, there is a second option box here. Let's click on the option box. I saw it appeared on the right. Here are the sizes you can choose from, its width and height dimensions. So choose according to your own needs. I'll just randomly choose a size as a demonstration. I see there's a style option here. That's what you want to do. What is the style of these pictures? If you want to make a cartoon image, we can see there's an AI cartoon here. There is also a 3D effect. I will cancel these unnecessary ones. To choose these 3D effects, if you want other AI picture effects, you can choose other. Then we just need to put our description content. I need him to create a 3D effect here. An image story of Little Red Riding Hood. The image character is probably Little Red Riding Hood, who is about 7 years old. Now we just need to click create. There are also these two option boxes. We just need to keep the default state. If you want to debug it, I want to test the effects of these parameters. You can adjust it yourself. Then test a picture you made. Which one is more effective or more in line with your requirements? Now let's take a look. If you want to make several pictures, here we can enter the number of pictures you need to create, because there is a quality and speed option above. Do you want it done quickly or with high quality? If you choose the first one, you can also deny it. What do you don't want to appear on your images? Then describe your content here. Then we go on to create this AI picture. We just need to wait for him to generate the content of this picture. We see here that I put 2 pictures, and with these 2 pictures, we are going to create a template image. So click here and there's an option box. Choose what kind of model you want to create. Second option. Then take the image you just wanted. If I keep the character consistent, if you want to create with this image, I just drag this picture to this tab and input box. Below the selection, there is a click option box. I found a function that uses facial AI to change faces. We choose this face changing function. Use your face to combine all the pictures you will generate later. I used his face as a reference, so we chose this function. So this is the most important thing. When you generate these images below, you just need to choose this one. Then he can create a template based on this face. Then we go back to just now. Text content created by our chat. Now we just need to copy and paste these script contents. For example, I want to copy the first sentence. After copying it, come to this software. Then we will put this paragraph. Enter this sentence. That is the content of the image just now. Let's not delete it. Just plug it in directly from the back. Paste the text content in. Let's take a look at the effect he made. We can see 2 characters made. His face is actually very similar. You see these 2 characters. I can change. These 2 faces can also be used. So I just dragged this picture in. These pictures will have this effect after making them. Then I'm here. Then I enter the second sentence. So I copy the second sentence here. Then I just need to replace this sentence just now. We just need to go ahead and create the second image. Or we can change the ratio of these images to higher pixels. You can also let me create a picture effect. See what the effect is. Did you see this picture I made here? That is, you requested this template. Is this face consistent? So this is a very important element. But after it makes these pictures with us, we can take these pictures, all via the download button above. Download it. So we just need to copy and paste these. You can make these AI pictures. After our pictures are generated, we need to come. Second tool. This is the AI tool that converts pictures into videos. Let's click to open it. We just need to upload the image we just uploaded to Genmo. Just take the pictures I just took. It can be converted into video. We click the button to upload pictures. Then upload the pictures I just downloaded. You can see I have uploaded pictures before. This tool actually generates video effects. It's still okay. And you saw him walking like this. Already generated. You just have a picture picture and he can see it. This is a video of the kitchen. Very vivid. Next, let's upload the picture we just uploaded. And uploading it generates a language like this. You can also enter a language. Because it is an automatically detected image content, then we can also adjust its duration. It can also be for seconds or longer than 6 seconds. Then we click to generate this video. Let's continue uploading all the pictures. These generated videos. We can all do this by having a button here. Click this button to download this video in its entirety. You can also click on this video here. Download button here. I have put all the videos. Upload and generate videos. When the video is generated, let's convert this content into speech. Here, chat, I just copy the content of the first 3 paragraphs because you are actually doing the same thing later. So I'm just doing a demonstration. Copy the previous 3 paragraphs. Paste what I just said here. Then we can choose different pronunciations.
Life without love is like a tree with...
Be here now. Be someplace else later.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
We can use all of these voices for you to choose the one you like more. Then we convert this text into speech. Just click to generate. After generating, there is a download button in the lower right corner. Let's use this voice. Just download it. Then we will use a free editing software. This is CapCut. We can search it online. We can upload all the materials here. Can be seen. These are the materials I just made. Drag it in one by one. Because you can put this voice. Just drag it in, and you can see it from here. Its duration is different from the length of this pronunciation. Then we can adjust it. Its playback speed. Then the playback speed of this video. Adjust it here. You can see the speed. Adjust the speed here because I turn it slower. This video will play longer. Then we can see that it is playing slowly. You can see this video here. And we noticed that there is a video. When a little girl, walks away, he walks backwards. We can adjust it. Turn this video upside down. Also play it backwards. Select this video. Then click this to play backwards. He can play this video upside down. Let's take a look at this time again. Just move forward. You can see that we adjust the length of his video. And we can also give him a background music to play. We can go to the YouTube music library here. A lot of this music in this music library can be used for commercial purposes. That means you can use it on your videos. Used for commercial purposes. And the music above. You can find a more upbeat type of music. I'll listen to it again here. You can hear this music. If it is more suitable to use, we can download it here. Then after you download it, we can also find all of these types of music. You can click on this type. All belong to these types. Then I just need to put this music. Also put in the background music. As background music, we don't need him to be too loud. Then let's cut it. Cut off this excess part. Delete the following content. We can also adjust the volume of this background music. Then we can try it out. We can also give these and this video. Previous subtitle. It looks like this effect will be better. Subtitle. Please click on this audio. Then there's one here that can generate subtitles. Here you can see an option to generate subtitles. Transcend automatically generates subtitles. We choose English. Then click Generate. Well generated. We also need to subtitle this. Go give it a template. Looks better. You select the text here and then. There are many subtitle templates. We first need to make these subtitle templates. Download it. You see this subtitle template. After you click, he will display it with this subtitle template. It looks better too. There are many kinds of these subtitles. Then let's preview what its effect will be like. You can play it and see its effect.
Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and ancient trees, there lived a little girl named Red. She was known far and wide as Little Red Riding Hood, thanks to the vibrant crimson cloak her grandmother had knitted for her. One sunny morning, Red's mother called her into the kitchen. "Red, my dear, your grandmother isn't feeling well. I've prepared a basket of goodies for her. Would you be a sweetheart and take them to her cottage in the heart of the forest?" her mother asked. Little Red Riding Hood, always eager to help, agreed with a smile. She hugged her mother and set off on the winding path through the dense woods.
When the video is finished, we can use the upload video button in the upper right corner of YouTube. We just need to be here. Click to upload this video. Upload video to YouTube. Then just play it via YouTube. Reached 1,000 subscriptions. 4,000 video plays left. You can pass. Opening YouTube's advertising partnership program. You can get his advertising revenue. Just like this channel, he is already here. Every day, every month. Advertising revenue through YouTube every year. Earn very good advertising revenue. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI. I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.